The GSI extension identifies an Android generic system image containing a standardized Android system partition for testing on compatible devices. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you flash test or troubleshoot these Android system images. My experience tells me that some GSI files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. GSI files are generic system images for Android, providing a standardized AOSP Android open source project system partition that can be flashed to any Project Treble compliant Android device for compatibility testing and development purposes. Android GSI files are system partition images containing the Android framework system applications and runtime binaries in a raw or sparse image format. They leverage Project Treble's hardware abstraction to run on any compliant device regardless of manufacturer. The core professional tool for handling the GSI format is Android Open Source Project from Google LLC. Windows prevents native execution, requiring elevation or a digitally signed application. Windows can't interpret disk layouts inside the file, so mounting software is essential. Your most vital first action is the file association test. Right-click the GSI file and choose Open With. If Android Open Source Project is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. Your system failed to open the GSI file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, flashing to a device. Unlock your device bootloader and boot into Fastboot mode. Flash the GSI using Fastboot flash system, GSI image.mg from the command line. Wipe data with Fastboot, W, then reboot. The device boots into the generic Android system while using the existing vendor partition. Next, choosing the right GSI. Select a GSI matching your device's architecture, ARM64 or x86, and partition type AB or A only. Download GSI builds from developerandroid.com or custom GSI projects. Verify your device supports. Project Treble using the Treble Info app before flashing. Finally, troubleshooting boot issues. If the device fails to boot after GSI flashing, verify the correct architecture and partition type were used. Revert to stock firmware using the manufacturer's flash tool. Ensure the bootloader is properly unlocked and Fastboot is detecting the device correctly. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.